first of all, very good evening to you all, and congratulations for to the CMPL team for organizing a beautiful show. As usual, this is my third time. See, I have increased my business by 70 to 80% since I've started participating in CMPL. So CMPL has always been a boost for me, and some offices it's not easy to approach them, but when during the CMPL they come to my booth and they say see things for themselves, so that's when we learn, and they also come to know that we also exist. So we have got very good business proposals today. Also we have done broken, I mean, like, got very good deals. So CMPL has always been a very good platform for me. Went into specialized cleaning products. This time I'm here with the cleaning products, specialized cleaning products, and along with that a very big range of Puja products. So we are now into Puja category also, and probably we are the only ones right now in the whole CMPL who is doing it. And this has also been the highlight of CMPL, and a lot of people are coming just to this stall for visiting and have blessings, to take blessings from my stall. See, most of the visitors are high quality, high profile, plus they are very serious buyers. So CMPL in Mumbai specifically, I've had very good experiences because most of the visitors who come over here, more than 50% we convert them into our potential, the potential buyers become our customers in future. So I am very happy with the kind of platform CMPL has provided me. Ravi Industries complete assortment of cleaning and puja range. Now we are going to go global because of CMPL. I want to add that because we are getting some buyers, and I've been promised that they will be coming this time and attending. So because of CMPL, Ravi Industries is entering exports. How can you summarize such a big thing in one word? This is out of the world. Fantastic.